It wasn't just humid or muggy this morning. It was exceptionally humid for us in Denver. Now, we had a dew point. That's a measure of the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. We're going to get into the nitty gritty about why this is the key number that you need to use when it comes to humidity. But we had a 66-degree dew point in Denver this morning. That ties our highest dew point in Denver since 2008. Again, highest dew point in 17 years this morning in Denver. Now, because we're at altitude, that's not equal for us at sea level. A dew point of 66 is equal to a 71-degree dew point at sea level. That meant this morning it was more humid based on that 71-degree dew point than Dallas, Nashville, Chicago, and Oklahoma City. It was truly Gulf Coast-like humidity that we felt out there this morning. And again, a dew point is the way to measure. So I know I'm going on mumbo jumbo, spitting out a bunch of numbers. Here's why it matters. Dew point is the temperature where condensation happens. So in order for you to get rain or snow even, you need that temperature to cool from a certain point down to another point. And that secondary point is the dew point, right? So if it's 71, 65-degree dew point, you need that temperature to cool down 6 degrees for condensation to take place. In other words, it's a measure of the amount of moisture that's in the air. And the higher the dew point, the more water you have to work with. So dew point is a far better measure of the amount of moisture than relative humidity. So again, relative humidity, that's just a percentage, but the dew point is the amount of water that is actually capable in the atmosphere. So it's like comparing, say, a salad bowl versus a shot glass or something like that. That's what a dew point is, and hopefully that explains why it was so darn muggy this morning.